Hello and welcome to my devlog. In this devlog I want to show you how I came from this to this. I decided to make a simple game because I didn't have enough experience to make something more serious. And I came up with this idea: objects move together. It was quite easy to implement, and as I remember, I implemented it in 1 hour. After it, I decided to make graphics. At first I tried to grab graphics from Unity Asset Store, but eventually I found out that it doesn't fit my game. And the bad thing is I spent a lot of time trying to modify this graphics pack. So I drew my own graphics, walls, spikes, magnets and so on. But later I stuck because I had no idea what my character could be. I came up with this cute little robot. And I decided to split him into 2 parts. And at this point, the aim of this game is to connect his head to his body. I think it makes sense. So I sketched a small level, using my new graphics, but there was a lack of interactable obstacles. So I decided to add something that could kill my player. And I think it's obvious that I added spikes. You're probably wondering how I made it. So the answer is simple: just take texture and add some particles. Sounds time! That's how edit sounds. But it's very boring to play a game which consists only of sounds and spikes, so I decided to make something more interesting. Magnets. And I want to say that it was the most difficult thing to implement. And I still need to change them because their work's not good enough for my game. I mean, I can play this game, but I don't like the way they work. So after making somehow working magnets, it was time to make levels. Honestly, I was too lazy to make it on my own, so I just called my friend and asked him for help, and after some time he sent me levels sketched on a piece of paper, and I just moved them into my game. And that's how I made the demo. And now I want to tease you some plans for this game. So I still want to continue working on this game, but the main problem is in school. My school started recently and it takes a lot of time. So I don't have enough time for game development and other things. I finished this project, I guess, 30 days ago, a month ago, a long time ago. And I managed to make this devlog only now. So other plans are to add sticky blocks and portals to my game. And I don't think that adding sticky blocks is something difficult because they'll work like a magnet, I guess. And I presume that making portals will take a while. Now I want to say thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing. Also smash like if you like, and leave a comment down below if you want to ask something or say something about my game, whatever you want. Also, I think by the time this video comes out, I have published my game on itch.io, so you can visit the description and download my game or play it online. So thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, goodbye.